Hello YouTube friends, just making do here with you. It's tater hilling day. We've got these new taters we planted February the 21st. Today's March 28th and it is new tater hilling day. It's a beautiful day out here, as you can tell. We've got a few new items added here, but we're going to get to those later. Got those 2 rows there and we got 4 rows over here. One, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got these mustard greens still here from the winter. I'm gonna do like old Rough Cut Homestead said, just let them seed out for the birds, help the environment for them birds, have some food around. And I've got another attachment here that I'm gonna put on the tiller to help me heal these tater rows up. And I also got my new selfie stick. Just making do, moving up in the world. Let's see what we got. All right, let me get you set up. This new apparatus here. I'll get to that earthquake healer. This is the earthquake healer. I'm going to attach right here to the tiller. I'm going to take this drag bar out and I'm going to attach this thing right up in there like that and go down the rows, help me heal the taters up. You've got a wing on each side that you can take off, and I'm going to take this left side off going down the rows just to do one side and come back down and do the other. I think that's going to work best for me. I don't have the exact dimensions set out for just to go down the center. Hopefully I'll have that done by next year. This is the earthquake healer I'm going to be trying out on my Poulan Pro tiller, and this thing comes with 3 different setups for 3 different tillers. Husqvarna and a couple other ones. Poulan and Husqvarna are about the same setup, so this is how I'm going to set mine up with the Husqvarna drag bar deal. And it's time to heal them potatoes. Just making do. Stay tuned for more episodes. Holla back at you.